What's going on, y'all? Little Mountain Gardener here. And I'm not gonna lie, y'all, it's a hot one today. I think it's around 91 degrees right now, and it's 7 o'clock at night. I know you can't tell because the sun's still shining. So I'm gonna do a real quick potato harvest. It's my first time ever planting potatoes. So y'all don't judge me. Like I said, they're not looking too good, but hopefully we'll be able to salvage something out of it. Give me a minute, I'm gonna turn the camera around. So yeah, y'all, I was watching Renee's garden. I saw her harvest her actual potatoes with her and her grandson. And I was like, man, I gotta go out there and grab mine and stop playing. They had a great harvest too. So these ones right here are the ones that I got from Sam's. And they're either the Yukon Gold or the other ones. They weren't labeled whenever I took them out the package, so I don't know which ones were which. But I also got these ones over here. I mean, they look like they might be able to go a little bit longer, but I'm gonna go ahead and grab them out. As y'all can see, I already pulled out my tomatoes. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting this prepared, get ready to plant something else here. So let's go ahead and grab these potatoes. Now we're starting to get into them. A couple of little big ones. This right here, this must be the seed potato right here. It's all gooey and rotten. So this one right here looks like he got a little bit too wet, too long. Well, that's the seed potato, one of the two. But we'll throw him out. So far, not too bad. Well, y'all, I can tell I'm a fat boy. I'm out of shape. Whew. This is our harvest right here. Not too bad. Like I said, especially for my first time ever planting potatoes. I thought we did pretty good because, like I said, my wife and I, we love sweet seafood. So you cut these up, throw it in there with some shrimp, some crabs, some sausage. You have a little country boil. Those are perfect size for them. Well, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this, and I hope to see y'all next time. Bye.